Tell me the truth. How many times have you said to yourself, I'll fix my routine tomorrow? The alarm goes off, plans are made, but morning comes and everything remains the same. Snooze, phone scrolling, and then guilt. If this happens to you, the problem isn't laziness. The problem is routine. In this video, I'll share a simple and realistic daily routine that actually works for students without overwork and stress. Why routine is important. Most students don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because their day isn't structured. Sometimes they study too much, sometimes they don't study at all. Routine saves your energy. Once a routine is established, you don't have to decide what to do next. Discipline is more powerful than motivation. Morning routine. Waking up between 5:30 and 7 a.m. is best. The environment is quiet, and your brain is fresh. The worst mistake is checking your phone as soon as you wake up. Instead, drink water, do some stretching, get some sunlight. Even just 5 minutes of movement activates your brain. After that, have a morning study session. Tackle hard subjects in the morning because your brain is sharpest. 50 minutes of focus, 10 minutes of break, and no phone calls during breaks. Afternoon routine. Classes or lectures are held in the afternoon. Don't engage in passive learning. Write your notes in your own words and summarize what you learned in 2 minutes after class. Revision automatically becomes easier. Don't have a heavy lunch. Light food and water helps maintain energy. If possible, take a 15 to 20 minute power nap or a short walk. This resets your brain. Afternoons are best for practice work, solving problems, past papers, or revision. Evening routine. After studying all day, the body becomes tired. Therefore, ensure 20 to 30 minutes of movement. Walking, sports, or simple exercise reduces stress and improves sleep. After that, allow for some creative time. A hobby or fun activity prevents burnout. Do only light revision at night, not new, heavy topics. Night routine and ending. Write down 3 to 4 clear tasks for the next day before bed. This relaxes the mind. And don't compromise on sleep. Sleep is the time when the brain converts learning into memory. Remember, there is no perfect routine. There is a consistent routine. If you follow this system for just 30 days, your focus will increase, stress will decrease, and results will improve. Discipline may seem difficult today, but it becomes freedom tomorrow.